Comilla Higher Maths 2017, Question 2. In Question 2, we're given the functions p of x is equal to 18x cubed plus 15x squared minus x plus a, and q of x is equal to x cubed plus x squared minus 6x. Now in part A, we're asked to resolve qx into factors. To do this, we're going to factorise x cubed plus x squared minus 6x, and the first thing we notice is x is common to all the terms, so we can take that out as a factor. So it's equal to x into x squared plus 1x minus 6. Now the part in the bracket is a quadratic, so we're looking for two numbers that add to make 1 and multiply to make minus 6. They are 3 and minus 2. 3 plus minus 2 is 1. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. So the factors are x into x plus 3 and x minus 2. Now in part B, we've got to find the value of a if 3x plus 2 is a factor of the polynomial px. Well, if 3x plus 2 is a factor of qx, then using the factor theorem, q of minus 2/3 will equal 0. So if we substitute minus 2/3 in the polynomial q of x, we get 18 times minus 2/3 cubed plus 5 times minus 2/3 squared minus minus 2/3 plus a equals 0. Now minus 2/3 cubed is minus 8 over 27. Minus 2/3 squared is 4 over 9. So we have minus 18 times 8 over 27 plus 15 times 4 over 9 minus minus 2/3 plus a equals 0. So we have minus 16 over 3 plus 20 over 3 plus 2 over 3 plus a equals 0. That gives us 6 over 3 plus a equals 0, or 2 plus a equals 0, so a equals minus 2. Now, in part C, we want to express the partial fractions of x squared plus x minus 1 over qx. Now we have x squared plus x minus 1 on the top and x cubed plus x squared minus 6x on the bottom. The bottom we know factorises. It factorises into x, x plus 3 and x minus 2. So we can write the fraction as a over x plus b over x plus 3 plus c over x minus 2. Now if we put the right hand side over a common denominator, we get x squared plus x minus 1 over x cubed plus x squared minus 6x equals a into x plus 3 into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 3 all over x into x plus 3 into x minus 2. Now the bottoms are the same, and so that means the tops, the numerators, are the same. So x squared plus x minus 1 equals a into x plus 3 into x minus 2 plus bx into x minus 2 plus cx into x plus 3. Now, this is an identity, so that means it's true for all values of x. So we can select values of x. The most obvious one to take is x equals 0. If we substitute it into both sides, on the left-hand side we get minus 1. On the right-hand side we get a times 3 times minus 2 plus b times 0 plus c times 0. So that gives us 6a is 1, or a is 1 over 6. Another one to choose is x equals 2. Now on the left-hand side you get 2 squared plus 2 minus 1. So that's 4 plus 2 minus 1. And on the right-hand side you get a times 0 plus b times 0 plus c times 2 times 5. Now that simplifies down to 10c is equal to 5, and so c is equal to a half. And the third value to choose for x is x equals minus 3. Now on the left hand side you get minus 3 squared plus minus 3 minus 1, so that's 9 minus 3 minus 1. And on the right hand side you get a times 0 plus b times minus 3 times minus 5 plus c times 0, which gives you 15b is equal to 5. And so b is equal to a third. Now that means our answer is 1/6 over x, or 1 over 6x, plus a third over x plus 3, which can be written as 1 over 3 into x plus 3, plus a half over x minus 2, or we can write that as 1 over 2 into x minus 2. So our final answer, 1 over 6x plus 1 over 3 into x plus 3 plus 1 over 2 into x minus 2.